A lot of you have been asking me to review more natural and organic skincare. One line that came my way recently was 302 Skincare. These are a line of natural and organic products. These are designed with a technology called Avogen, which is derived from avocados. And basically with Avogen, the ingredient is designed to help with the cross-linking of the skin. As you age, your skin tends to become less elastic, less firm, more thin, due to like the cross-linking in the skin, which oftentimes is a result of advanced glycation end products from the consumption of sugars and things like that. Also a natural product of aging and metabolism. What's really great about like the Avogen ingredient is that it's supposed to help aid with those symptoms as well as be an all-natural solution, which I know that a lot of you are looking for. The review of all 5 products in the intro kit on futurederm.com, but for today's purposes, for the video, I'm just going to go ahead and review 2 of the products, best and the worst in the intro kit, in my opinion. My favorite product of all in the intro kit is the 302 Professional Remedy. This remedy is designed for soothing, protecting, and calming the skin. I personally am going to be using it as my hand cream and as one of my moisturizers. It's really a beautifully formulated lotion, especially for being a lotion that was formulated from natural and organic ingredients, because those can be really hard to formulate with. That said, this lotion, it kind of feels more like a balm. It absorbs well, and then it drinks into the skin. Unlike a lot of the products in this line, this does not have a scent. And a lot of the products kind of have a strong alcohol-like smell, and this does not, so that makes me really happy. The ingredients here that get me really excited, there's glycerin, jojoba oil, silicone oil, beeswax. Again, for those of you who are into this sort of thing, it is kosher glycerin, it is organic jojoba oil. These are all like naturally sourced ingredients. As you know, if you're a FutureDerm reader, I don't really care about where the ingredients are sourced from. Sorry if I get criticism for that, but I will say that jojoba oil has been shown in studies to like swell up the skin, in a good way, which is indicative of a moisture retention within the uppermost layer of the skin. And it's also beneficial for increasing the absorption of other ingredients deeper into the skin. I also love this product because even though it doesn't say that it has an SPF, it has a 7% zinc oxide. Like, look at that, 7% zinc oxide, which is awesome. Two skincare out there watching this review, get this guy like with the SPF rating, because I think that you have like an amazing natural and organic moisturizer on your hands. It absorbs fairly quickly for an organic moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling really soft. I absolutely love it. So I highly, highly, highly recommend that. I really don't like to say things that aren't nice, quite frankly. So this is a little hard, but that said, like this 302 Professional Revive, I don't recommend it on my FutureDerm 1 to 10 scale. I actually give this product a 4. I will give the company, credit. Natural and organic products are really hard to formulate. There's a lot of separation. There's not a lot of binding agents and stabilizers that you get to use in synthetic products. And then there also tends to be a lot of unpleasant smells whenever you're dealing with natural and organic products. I'm just being honest, simply because there's not a lot of fragrances available for use that are all natural or organic. Even with all that said, it just feels sloppy. Like it separates, it's gooey, and it has the strongest, whiffs of alcohol of any of the products. Like the remedy that I do recommend doesn't smell like alcohol at all. This one, as soon as you open it or you pump it into your onto your hand, like it immediately smells like alcohol. And also, like, there's not as many impressive ingredients in this product as the rest of the 302 skincare line. Yes, there's a high concentration of organic green tea, which does mean something, but aside from a few hydras like glycerin and silicone oil, I'm just not really encouraging FutureDerm readers to buy this. So sorry, 302 Skincare. This one, the Revive, is my least favorite, but I still do recommend your remedy. With that said, this has been my first of 2019 video review. Promised myself this year that I would be doing 1 video a day. So even though I'm here in my Lululemon, with my not so styled hair and everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope you tune in soon for the next one. Thank you.